Good morning students. In last period we start our second lesson microorganisms, how they are, what's the features, their size we completed. Then importance of microorganism we complete also, harmful microorganism, useful microorganisms, harmful, then which are they, which diseases they have called, then like example bacteria causes tuberculosis, then viruses causes influenza, fever, etc. types of harmful bacteria also, harmful microorganisms also we can see in last period. Now we can start our new concept, use of microorganism, means microorganism basic points also and harmful and useful microorganisms, means in that minimum one part harmful microorganisms and their features we complete. Now useful microorganisms and their features, where they can use all these concepts we can see in this lecture. On page number 17 they gave you separately use of microorganisms point wise, how many, minimum 5 points they gave you. At home, then at home and industry, which types of microorganisms and how they are useful. Then in digestion the microorganisms can useful, how they are, that also we can discuss. Third point, maintenance of atmospheric fixation or balancing, how they can complete, that also we see. Second last, agriculture and science, how the microorganisms can helpful, useful, we can see in detail. Our first point is use of microorganisms at home and industries. Microorganisms, you know, some microorganisms are very harmful. We cannot use them. Harmful means they give us diseases. Okay, sometimes that person can very high fever. Sometimes the person having in the long time they having a diseases. So opposite to that, some are useful. Means some microbes are useful. So which are they? First, at home or in industry, some microorganisms can used for what reason? For doing our work, regular work, for food or for making other food material. So which type of they? The microbes are used in brewing, baking, food making process. Which one? Okay, which one? Brewing, baking and food making process. Don't forget. So these microbes, some microbes which are useful, they can use here only. Like example, baking, you know, some bakery products are there. Food making, bakery products means food it is, we can use it for eating. So these are the examples some microorganisms can use or helping in nature. Example is yeast. Okay, which example? Yeast. Where we use it? In bakery products that yeast can be used, means making bread or process of alcohol fermentation. Which one? Alcohol fermentation. Or making bread. You know, every child can use bread. So in the bread, useful microorganisms, useful microbes is yeast. Yeast can add in the bread, then only the bread can make and the bread can eat. So yeast is the one example. Then microbes used to control fermentation in production of cultural dairy products. I will write here the alcohol fermentation. In alcohol, you know, types of alcohol will be there, rum will be there, etc. etc. In that way, microbes can be used. Then again they gave you some microbes can control the fermentation in production. And which are they? That microbes control control fermentation, and example is cultural dairy products. It is yogurt and cheese. So it will be used to make these type of products, and they control the fermentation, so we can get the yogurt also and cheese also. Next, bacteria will be used bacteria, not harmful bacteria. Harmful bacteria causes anthrax, tuberculosis, and now useful bacteria can be used from production of antibiotics. Fourth one, here we see yeast, now bacteria making antibiotics. Example, penicillin. Okay, useful bacteria making antibiotics. From that bacteria, from useful bacteria, they make antibiotics, and antibiotics means penicillin, like corona. No one get the antibiotic with corona, so it will not cured up to still dead. So antibiotics are very important. Then generally modified bacteria, which are they? To make hormone, insulin, and production of genetically modified foods. Bacteria, basic bacteria making antibiotics, and general, which are they? Which one? Genetic modification bacteria. Types of bacteria. Genetic which are the genetically modified bacteria used for to make hormone. Okay, genetic, it's related to genes, related to hormones, so it makes this bacteria make a hormones, and it will be used to produce new young ones. Means it makes production of genetically modified foods. Genetically modified, you know all types of genes. Means when you go for higher studies, you get all these genes, DNA, okay, hormones, insulin. In 9th standard, in 10th standard, you have it. Up to this bacteria can modified in genetics. Genetics is a branch of science, and it makes a hormones. Means at home and industry, minimum 5 points will be included, and these points means in these points, when you study these 5 points, bacteria, how the bacteria or how the microbes can use in home or in industry. Industry, here bacteria making antibiotics, genetically modified, making hormones, control fermentation, yogurt and cheese. This type of bacteria related to industry, and remaining part is related to home. We can use it yeast also, or remaining baking and food making also. Means all is related to home and industry. Means these are the useful microbes. Here we finish first point. Now we continue with second point. Which one? Digestion. Everyone know about digestion. Here we see at home and industry how microbes used, but related to our daily life, our digestion is also important. Then how microorganisms can use with digestion? You know what means digestion, how the process continues. Digestion means digestion process starts with mouth and ends with anus. It goes last preparation means anus. But when you start your food material to take from the mouth, and then it ends with anus. But that food, chewing food, get into the stomach. How the complex molecules converts into simple one? Because of the which one? Because of the microbes. Don't forget, microbes are present in our stomach. they can convert these material in the simple form. So digestion process is used as use of microorganisms, means useful microorganisms can present in digestion period. So how it is? Microbes break down food molecules. First point, microbes means when we eat the food, it goes in the stomach. But how it is? It is in the complex form, and that complex form, that material can break down into simple form with which one? With the microbes only. Starts with the microbes only. And second point, some make valuable vitamins in body. Means not only conversion of complex to the simple form, but also vitamins can produce through the microbes, means useful microbes can do minimum 2 points related to digestion. Means vitamins are useful for our body, which gives energy to us to do activities, and breakdown of food molecules, that process is also important. So useful microbes are present in digestion, gives minimum 2 points. Okay, here we finish minimum at home and industry and digestion, how the useful microbes can do their work. Remaining 2 points, which one? Science and agriculture. In that way, the microbes, how they are useful, we can see in the next lecture. Up to that, you can read remaining part and then come back. So that is your homework reading. So now we can stop. Thank you all of you.